Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Japan and Hong Kong saw more than an 11% drop in their main equity indexes. Europe's Stoxx 600's 4-day rally is over, and U.S. futures indexes are 0.5% to 0.7% lower. Today, the greenback continues to recover against all major currencies. The Australian and New Zealand dollar are the worst hit. Rising rates and a stronger dollar are not equal to gold, which is currently at $15 to $1,820. This is its lowest point so far this year. AIMPO WTI is down for the fourth consecutive session, and $76.60 is at its 8-day lows. Asian Pacific market. The December surprise saw the dollar-yen exchange rates become unanchored from U.S. rates. The relationship is now tightening, and the greenback has risen above JPY 135.00 since the December surprise. The Australian dollar reached a peak Tuesday at $0.7000. It has been traded to $0.6820 today. Chart support is found in the 0.6780 to 0.6800 region, which could indicate a move towards $0.6660. Even after this week's report, Governor Lowe of the central bank reiterated his concern about tightening of the labor market earlier in the day. His term expires later in the year, and the RBA will be reviewed at the end of next month. Market of Europe. 3 developments in the UK are worth noting. First, UK retail sales rose 0.5% last month. According to Bloomberg's survey, the median forecast for a 0.3% drop was expected. Second, the Bank of England's chief economist acknowledged that officials are willing to slow down the pace of hikes. Third, it appears that there was a breakthrough in the Northern Ireland Protocol. External pressure was intense to resolve the issue by April 10, the 25th anniversary of the Good Friday Agreement. Today's euro fell to $1.0630, its lowest point since January 6. Nearby support can be seen at $1.0615. Sterling's losses have increased, and sterling has been sold at $1.1960 today. Market of America. Bullard and Mester, Fed officials, helped to swing the market's expectations by not ruling out a 50 BP increase in March. The Fed funds futures still expect a 25 BP increase in March, with a 12% chance for a half-point move. The Bank of Canada indicated it was halting, and the sell-off in U.S. stocks is driving the greenback to the highest level in a month today against the Canadian dollar. It now stands at CAD 1.3520. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.